Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Storm here, back with another video. Today we're going to be working on this eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using the brand new Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette volume 2. Just go ahead and open this palette up for you guys so you can see it. Ooh, those colors, they're just very inspirational. It's just like
it grabs you and pulls you in.
So we're going to be using this palette to create this halo eye. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. We're going to start with our handy dandy tape, of course. This tape is going to create that sharp line that we need. You can use whatever base you would like. And I'm going to be looking in my mirror right here. So if I'm looking down, please don't be too alarmed. But I do want to show you guys everything I'm doing. Using this Pat McGrath concealer brush to just go ahead and pat that concealer in. Those colors. They are so cute. Oh, all right. I like to use this Wayne Goss number 18 brush. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like just a little fluffy brush. And for my transition, I like to use the Natasha Denona palette. As you can see, it's well loved. I use that yellow quite often. Another shame that the Jaclyn Hill palette didn't come with a mirror. So just take a couple of seconds to open your eyes, open your lids all the way when you would be looking at someone right straight on. To see where that color is hitting. Taking a tiny bit of orange on this brush as well. Deep orange to deepen out the crease a little bit. Go in with this Sonia G Blender Pro brush. This is with that blender brush. We'll go ahead and just diffuse the color out. So in these eyeshadow looks, it's just a lot of blending. So now that's blended to where we kind of want it. Everything blended there. Slightly more tapered brush. This is the Crease Pro from Sonia G. Get right into our crease like that. I want the color there because that's where we're going to be cutting the crease. Just want to make sure you do that. Now I think that we are ready to cut the crease. For cut crease, I just love the little Wayne Goss brush. How that tip is so small. We're going to see how that comes into play. Then we're going to cut the crease with P. Louise base in Rumor 2. For this, I just like to take it on the back of my hands. So we're just going to sketch out the crease that we want and where we want our pockets. So I can't look at the camera when I'm doing this, but I'm gonna hopefully show you guys. But you see how small this brush is? It makes that perfect line. It fits right into your crease. It's great for having hooded lids. Once I've got my line carved out, I like to go in with a little bit of a bigger brush and then take more of that P. Louise base, and let's just go ahead and hit the lid with that base and just right up to the line that we've made, that perfect line. Go ahead and pop it on there. We're going to cover the entire lid with the base. Right in the inner, because we're doing this halo look, right? So just pack it into that corner right there. To the inner and outer corner, because we are doing that halo look. So just packing it in the outer corner. Now we're going to get some glitter glue to let this stick to our lids. I'm just going to use this small Sigma brush to go ahead and put the glitter glue right on my lids. Gonna put a little bit down on my back of my hands, right onto the center of the lids. We left everything blank. So you determine how big you want your halo to be. And this is always the main part for me. Like, I love to have the middle just like shine through. Now we're gonna go in with this Pat McGrath Labs pigment. 005 bronze. So this is Bronze Seduction 5. As you can see, look at that color that I've just used so much. So that's why I decided to get this little pigment. Sonia G Flat Definer to go ahead and pack that pigment on right in the middle. And I am going to spray it. So it's a little wet. And pack it right onto the middle. Sometimes this works better with a finger. Use a brush first to see how that works. So pack it right on. This is one of my favorite brushes to put on color with on the middle. Pigment with this brush. Not getting the payoff with the brush that you need, you can always use a finger. Let's see, I like to use my ring finger. Get it saturated right on there. You see that color? Oh, just pat it right on top. I'm gonna go in with that same Blender Pro just to blend everything together up here. Going with this Jumbo Pro blender from Sonia G just to map out the brow bone area with a little white. Just a teeny bit because we went a little bit high. So fix up the color right up under the brow bone. This Pencil Pro from Sonia G. I'm gonna spray it just a little just to bring that color out. Dip into I'm in it and just pop it right in the inner corner. Can you see that? Oh, I would love to do a look using this color like on my halo. Then for the waterline, we're going to be using this Fenty Fly Pencil in the color Lady Lagoon. It's a pretty blue color. Let me try it. See how it just gives that pop of color? Right on to the waterline. Alright, I'm gonna finish up my other eye, put some lashes on, and then I'll be right back with you guys. This is the final look using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette. So here's how everything looks with liner, lashes, finish, foundation. Little highlight for you guys. Look at this look that this palette created. I was definitely pulled towards the pinkish purplish section of the palette, but I can definitely do another look using the palette because it performed great. Don't forget to subscribe, like, smash that bell button, and let's go ahead and take the world by storm. Let me know your comments down below. See you guys later.